You need to get to your safe place right now. Extremely dangerous storm might in southeastern Missouri.
That line of storms included an EF3 tornado. It impacted a number of our lines, one of which had been reinforced with some smart energy plan investments. These investments have really paid off for our customers. We were able to restore power in about 25 hours as compared to what may have taken up to 48 hours. Traditionally, a power line is constructed of wires held up by wood poles. And what can happen is if one of those wood poles is broken or blown over because of high winds, it can, in a domino-like effect, knock over the next pole and the next pole and the next pole, and that can make a bad situation much worse and more timely to repair. So what we did was to install higher strength poles made of composite material in an incremental basis along that new line. And so what that does is it stops that cascading outage. So we really need to continue to invest in our aging infrastructure. We need to keep improving it, to hardening it, to making it more resilient so that our customers see fewer interruptions, and when they do see interruptions, they're restored more quickly.